Okay. Hello. Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all to my class today. In today's lesson, I will discuss a very interesting topic. But before that, I will sing a song for you. Listen carefully and tell me what song it is. Okay. পাহাড় বগাই বগাই চেনিমাই কপৌ ফুলানি দিম ভায়ো হৈছে নিমাই খোপাতে খোপাতে গুজি দিম বুলি. And second one is কৃষ্ণাৰ মূৰতে বকুল ফুলে পাহি নিয়ৰ পাই মৰহি যায় গোবিন্দাই ৰাম. Okay, tell me which song did I just sing? Yes. First one is Bihu Geet and second one is Husori. So surely you all can guess what topic I will discuss today. All right. Let's come to today's topic. Then today's topic is Bihu, the heartbeat of Assam. Okay. I will now show you some PPT, some picture related uh, to Bihu before uh, talking about in detail. Okay. Okay. Mm, okay. Can you see the PPT on my screen? Okay. Mm, now, yes. Okay. Okay. All right. Now look. Uh, this is a scene of Bohag Bihu. Here, uh, here you can see the traditional practice of bathing cows as well as dancers and performers celebrating Bihu with their dance. Sorry. This since from the day of Guru Bihu during Bohag Bihu and the attire worn during the Bihu dance. In Bihu dance, women wear red blouses, muga mekhela, and riha, tying their hair into a bun adorned with gogona and kakoi. Kakoi fani. This is kakoi fani. Okay. And they also wear hasoti. Hasoti. Yeah, yes, this is hasoti. Okay. And additionally, they adorn their necks. Okay. Necks with necklace like zunbiri, dhulbiri, and wear muthi kharu. This is muthi kharu on their wrist. Okay. On their wrist, a muthi kharu. And also the musical uh, the musical instrument used in Bohag Bihu. Okay. Uh, the musical instruments used in Bohag Bihu are an integral part of Assamese culture. These instruments are considered the essence of the melody and the joy of Bihu. Below is a list of the primary instruments used in Bohag Bihu. This is called dhol. Dhol, a primary percussion instrument that sets the rhythm of Bihu. The sound of the dhol enhances the energy of Bihu dance and songs. And it's called temeka. It's called temeka. Pepa. Pepa, two types of pepa. Okay. A wine instrument made from the horn of a buffalo. Its melodious tunes and unique charm to Bihu songs. Okay. And this is called gogona, a simple instrument made of bamboo. The sound of the gogona is an essential decorative element of Bihu music. Okay. This is called tal, a small metal instrument, bass metal, actually, bass metal instrument that helps maintain rhythm in coordinator with the whole. Okay. And singa, yes, singa, this is called singa also, singa horn, a traditional horn instrument made from buffalo horns, often used during ceremonial prayers. Okay. Bahi, flute, a bamboo flute known for its sweet melody, closely associated with Bihu songs. Okay. And this is called uh, sutuli, made by mud. Okay. Uh, and the combination of these instruments make Bohag Bihu celebration vibrant, rhythmic, and full of joy. Okay. And next slide. Okay. Pitha and making process. Okay. In Bohag Bihu, traditional Assamese pitha, rice cakes, play a vital role in the celebrations. These are delicious and culturally significant sweets prepared from rice flour, jaggery, jaggery seeds, and coconut among other ingredients below. Mm, Below are some popular varieties of pitha associated with Bohag Bihu. Mm, Til pitha. This is called til pitha. A cylindrical rice cake filled with seeds and jaggery, rolled thin, and roasted on a flat. A process. This is process of making til pitha. It's one of the most ironic and Saris pithas of Assam. Okay. Uh, sorry. And this is called narikol laru, coconut laddu, small sweet balls uh, made from grated coconut and jaggery, adding a delightful touch of the festive platter. Okay. And this is called ghila pitha, a uh, fried rice cake made by mixing rice flour and jaggery into a thick batter. It is soft inside and slightly crispy on the outside. Okay, ketli pitha. This is ketli pitha. This is ketli pitha. Steamed pitha made from rice flour. Mm, rice flour, jaggery, and grated coconut cooked in a kettle for a similar um, utensil. Okay. This is called sungapitha. A making process. This is making process of sungapitha prepared by stuffing sticky rice, jaggery, and coconut into a bamboo hollow, which is then roasted over a fire. This pitha has a smoky flavor and is unique to Assamese tradition. Okay. Mm, and poka mithoi. This is called poka mithoi. Sweet rice flour balls mixed with jaggery, often served as a quick snacks during Bohag festivals. And this is til laru, muri laru, etc. etc. Okay. This traditional pithas reflects the rice culinary heritage of Assam and are an inspirable part of Bohag Bihu, symbolizing love, sharing, and the joy of the harvest season. Okay, and next one, and the scene of dancing in courtyard of the Ranghar. Okay, next slide. Kati Bihu celebration. Okay, and this is collection of photos of from Kati Bihu. It showcases the customs observed during Kati Bihu, such as lighting lamps. Lamps, matlab ye saki. This is called saki lamps under the tulsi plant and in the paddy fields. Paddy fields. Okay. No other rituals are shown here, along with lighting lamps outside and inside. Uh, um, Inside the house, lamps are also lit in the cowshed and granary. Offering are made under the tulsi plant. The village children gather to sing tulsi nam and prayers like as tulsi nam. তুলসী তলে তলে মৃগ পহু চৰে তাকে দেখি ৰামচন্দ্ৰই হৰধনু ভাঙে এই তুলসী তলে তলে মৃগ পহু চৰে তাকে দেখি ৰামচন্দ্ৰই হৰধনু ভাঙে. This is called Tulsi Nam. Tuluhi Nam. Okay. And last one is Magh Bihu celebration. Mm, and this is collection of photos from Magh Bihu. Magh Bihu is celebrated when the harvest is complete and villagers come together to feast and rejoice. Okay. On the morning of the first day of Magh and a bonfire, it's called bonfire. It's called mezi. Is lit a part of the fire worship. Okay. During this festival, various traditional rice cakes, pithas are also prepared similar to Bohag Bihu. It's a til pitha, coconut লাড্ডু, নাৰিকল লাড্ডু, তিল লাডু, ঘিলা পিঠা, কেটলি পিঠা, ধূপ পিঠা, etc. etc. Okay, and this is celebration. How can celebrated Magh Bihu? How to celebrate Magh Bihu? Uh, okay, okay. Now I go to back. Okay, okay. Now, after seeing the Bihu songs and various photos along with what I have explained, you can guess how the Bihu festival is celebrated. All right, later I will share a little more about Bihu and then conclude today's lesson. Okay. Uh, Bihu is the most significant cultural festival of Assam, celebrated by people of all communities to mark different phases of the agrarian calendar. Okay, it is observed three times a year. First one is Bohag Bihu, second one is Kati Bihu, and three types of Bihu is and third one is Magh Bihu. Bohag Bihu, it's called Rongali Bihu also. Celebrated in April, it marks the Assamese New Year and the arrival of spring. It is a time of joy, dancing, feasting, and preparing traditional delicious like pithas, kettle, and are bathed and worshipped. And people exchange love and blessings. Okay. Next one is Kati Bihu. Kati Bihu, it's called also Kongali Bihu. Observed in October, manaya jata hai October mein. Okay, it is more somber festival associated with protecting crops. Lamps are lit under tulsi plants and it paddy fields to pray for a good harvest. For a good harvest, ritual focus on simplicity and devotion. Okay, And third one is Mag Bihu. Mag Bihu is also called Bhogali Bihu, celebrated in January. Next January coming upcoming uh, marks the end of the harvest season with the feasting bonfires like maize, which call is maize, Assamese. It's and community gatherings, traditional dishes and the rice cakes are prepared, and people enjoying merrymaking. Okay, uh, is Bihu reflects the life, culture, and agricultural traditions of Assam, uniting people in celebration and gratitude. Okay, surely you have understood. If not, if you face any difficulty, feel free to ask me. Okay. Any question? Okay. All right. If there are no questions, I will assign you some work to written down the following assignment. Okay. Write an essay on the topic Bihu. Marks 10. Okay. Uh, all right. That's for today. In the next class, we will learn about the different types of festivals celebrated among the various communities of Assam. Until then, take care. See you all again. Okay. Thank you. Bye.